Today we are continuing a great tradition here in the town of Vinton. The town of Vinton and the Women's Club of Vinton traditionally put the pinwheels out every year, and this is commemoration of the Child Abuse Awareness Month.
We decided it was a project that we could do in Vinton, that we had the perfect place for the pinwheels at the municipal building flower garden here for people to see it, because we have so much traffic going in and out of Vinton through here, and we were hoping if we could help just one child, it would make it all worth it.
Of course, the town is always happy to participate with them in this effort. The police department is very active, and the town council is out here today, so we're all working on the pinwheels, which will remain up all month. And as I say, it's very important to us that we do everything we can to promote Child Abuse Awareness Month.
I hope they enjoy seeing the pinwheels, but I hope it makes them ask why the pinwheels are here and do a little bit of research and come to understand that it is to help raise awareness for child abuse prevention.
I hope they ask questions. I hope they become curious. And if they are out somewhere and they see something that they don't think is right between an adult and a child, speak up, speak out, call somebody. You may just save that child's life.